So hi guys, welcome to my mini series vlog again ni Sus. So today I just like to share a few snap picture from my family, how they celebrate my birthday way back to my country, Philippines. So ayan, nagluto lang naman sila ng little bit pancit, ang aking madaan nag-blow ng candle. So it's a very simple celebration together with my family way back to my country, and of course they really enjoy, and at the same time I do appreciate it guys kasi alam niyo yung hindi naman nakakalimutan nila ang aking birthday. So, although it's late ng aking pag-share, but I do glad to share the snap picture for my family. So, yan lang naman ang aking mga kaganapan guys. As ano lang, counting picture lang, at the same time, naisipan ko lang i-share sa aking pag-vlog for today's video. So, I would like to say thank you. Love you all. Thanks for watching.